Hi students, happy Thursday. Now yesterday you guys did your week-long goal. Now as I told you guys yesterday, goal setting is one of these massive things that you are going to get very good at in my academy class. Now today I'm going to introduce you to what us as an academy class is going to call our year-long goal. So our EQ for today is what is our year-long goal for this academy class. So if we were in person, I would have you guys do this formal warm-up, but I do want you to think about this for a second. Now, this picture shows a process. Maybe you learned this in like second grade or third grade, something like that. Do you know the name of this process? What is actually happening here? You have the caterpillar right over here, and then he turns into what I think is called a pupa. And then what he does is he goes in and he starts hatching and he emerges as a butterfly. Now, I know that a lot of you guys are like screaming at the camera right now. I know this. Yeah, you nailed it. It's called metamorphosis. Now, the definition of metamorphosis is a change of the form or nature of a thing or person into a completely different one. So I want you to, in your head, make a prediction. Why would our year-long goal in class be metamorphosis? It seems rather obvious, right? Because I want you to change this year. Now, my life hack, the thing that I absolutely 100% believe in is this. The only constant thing you're ever going to have in life is change. I want you to change this year. Now, some of you kids, maybe you're lazy. I want that to change this year. Now, some of you kids, maybe you're really shy. I want that to change this year. Now, even some of you kids might be really good at everything. I want that to change this year, and I want you to only get better and better and better and be the best version of yourself. Which leads us to our first sort of mini project, with the exception being the storyboard. Now, our first mini project is going to be nice and easy for you. This is going to be the first independent project that you guys are going to work on. And let me explain a little bit about what it is. 7th grade offers a unique opportunity. You can become whoever you want. I told you that yesterday. You get a fresh start in 7th grade. If you were not a liked person in elementary school, that can change drastically. You can learn how to treat people with respect and kindness, and you can turn into a great student this 7th grade year. So in this project, you're going to reflect on who you were and create a plan on how to become the person who you want to be. So let me show you exactly what this project is going to be looking like. So each of you are going to receive 3 slides. They're going to be unique to you. It'll say Metamorphosis Project. Who do I want to be by 8th grade here? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to start by reflecting on who you were before. So think 7th grade. Think 6th grade, 5th grade, 4th grade. As a kid in elementary school, what were you? And I want you to reflect on these 5 topics. So number 1, what you're going to simply do is you're going to come here. Rather than doing my homework, I would maybe... Your answer is watch Netflix. I want you to fill that in. Each of these 5, I want you to reflect on 6th grade and before. What are some of these things that you struggled with? Now, the next slide, the last slide, is slide number 3. This is your plan for the future. I know this is actually supposed to say who I was before. I want this to actually be who I want to be. So, to do better in school, I plan to. How are you going to be better in school? Think realistic. To be a better friend, I will. In order to do my work on time, I will. To get a better grade fill this class in math, in English, in history, and science, I will. What will you practically do? And then, of course, to avoid wasting time, I will. So kids, once you're done with this, once you fill out these 10 things, 5 here, 5 here, click submit. And you're done for the day, and we'll reflect on this a little bit tomorrow when I see you next. All right, kiddos, love you. Have a great Thursday.